Hello everyone, myself Dr. Ravi Agrahari and you guys are listening me with the help of your Environment, Agriculture and Disaster Management book, Scan Code. And in this lecture, I would like to discuss with you about the part C, those covered in this book that is a part of disaster management and how this book will be beneficial in this importance of disaster management. Let us start. By the way, you must be very clear like what about the mains examinations, the role of disaster. So I just mentioned in GS paper 3 have a role of disaster management where 10 to 25 marks of questions generally UPSC has in a paper from 2013 till 2020-25. So your 10 to 25 marks of disaster management question is going to cover according to entire syllabus of UPSC examinations. What about your official website main syllabus of disasters? So UPSC mentioned disaster and disaster management. It is totally covered here, but in part C have a divisions of various sections, subsections that I have divided into various chapters, and this is the part C that I will open in front of you with your environment and agriculture book. It is a part C, disaster management. I have a three part, section 1, section 2 and section 3. This is the total portions that I covered in your disaster management portions. Section 1, Section 2 and Section 3. Section 1 is the disaster management, a complete overview. Chapter 1, Chapter 2, Chapter 3, Chapter 4, Chapter 5, 6, 7, 8. Totally 8 chapters I covered here with your disaster, and your all the entire question paper will solve. Chapter 1, disaster in India. Chapter 2, institutional framework. Chapter 3, prevention and mitigations. Chapter 4, preparedness and response. Chapter 5, recovery, reconstruction and rehabilitations. Chapter 6, capacity development. Chapter 7, international cooperation. Chapter 8, types of disaster, their causes, vulnerability and mitigation measures is mentioned here in the uh, part C. And section 2 is the glossary, like some terminologies those are used in the disaster management. I just have to brief them. And then section 3 is the UPSC mains model answers, 3 years of model answers, 22, 23, 23, 24, 25 already given in this book. And for the coming future 26, 27 mains answer, here you can also scan and you can get it. And here in with this scan, you people will listen all entire my video discussion of these 3 years of 23, 24 and 25. In the coming future when 26 and 27 examination happen with the scan code, you can also listen 2026 here. Okay, so in such a way, I just have written a book like this book will update you in the coming future also. So disaster management, and here 2013-2022 is the written model answer. It is available on H platform, but 3 years in written content is already mentioned in your disaster management book. And this is the analysis of UPSC mains from 2013 till 2020-25 from GS paper 3. How much marks UPSC has in your paper from disaster management from 2013 till 2025? As you guys know very well, 2013 onwards, new pattern of mains examination even started. If you check it, 2025 have a hardly 10 marks of question out of 250. In 2024, 30 marks question, 23 10 marks, 2022 25 marks, 21 25 marks, 2020 15 marks, 19 25 marks, 18 15 marks, 17 12.5 marks, 2016 25 marks, 2015 12.5 marks, 2014 12.5 marks, and 2013 12.5 marks. Entire model answers question with the question and model answers I already have given here. So this is the book that will complete your disaster management portion here, and I have shown you all the UPSC mains question paper, and definitely in such a way I told you guys like 10 to 25 marks UPSC has in your paper out of 250 marks if you do analysis of your PYQs. So UPSC ask in your paper from disaster management. So that is the reason I'm telling you this book for your mains paper totally cover your 100 marks with your environment, agriculture and disaster management. So this single book will cover your 100 marks of your mains question paper. Okay, prelims, you know very well in environment how much marks, how much question, around 15 question every year UPSC has. In such a way, this book I have written, it will be very beneficial to all of you. 25, which question UPSC has some disaster, 24, 23, 22, 21, 2020, 2019, 2018, 2017, 2016, 2015, 2014, and 2013. Everything mentioned here in this book, and this is a PDF. If you want to take this PDF, so it is already share on my Telegram, Dr. Ravi P. Agrahari official. You can take this PDF. By the way, this PDF based content, all the question paper and discussion already in this book under this model answers, you can get it. So you should not have to worry, and stay tuned with me on my Telegram channel for your all the future updates. Okay, and book related all the video updates, those in the coming future I'll provide you. Through the help of my Telegram, I help you to provide a lot of the current update that I provide during UPSC examinations time to time, and many of the free content that I also take on the YouTube channels. Whenever I come live, I share on my Telegram. So Telegram, Dr. Ravi P. Agrahari official is the one-stop solution to connect with me. And if you literally want, if to get some classes, etc., so you can join my classes on Ravi Agrahari classes app. It is available for Hindi medium, English medium. Even my anthropology classes also available. Those I covered. Okay, so regarding your doubts and queries on science and tech environment as a GS part and anthropology is an optional paper, so you can you are feel free to WhatsApp and even message me on my Telegram. My number is 9911809808. So thank you so much, guys. Take care of yourself and enjoy your book. Like my all hard work. Whenever you see this book, you will analyze it. Like this two subject of agriculture, disaster management, I have given as according to mains only, but environment is written here according to prelims and mains both. And 100 marks of your mains paper is going to cover with the help of this single book. So you should have to take it seriously for your examination, and definitely you give me your feedback. That is always necessary for my more hard work. That will be beneficial for all of you to crack your UPSC examination. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Stay tuned with me and take care of yourself.